Stella's Tower, or Stella's Castle, and St Catherine's Church nearby are two medieval monuments in the guardianship of Fingal County Council, located close to one another in Portrane and with a view out to Lambay Island. Both are mentioned in this area in historic documents dating back to the 13th century. The name Stella's Castle comes from the later connection with Stella, or Esther Johnson, who stayed in the castle for a while in 1712 with relatives of her close friend Dean Jonathan Swift of St Patrick's Cathedral. These buildings are two of 15 historic monuments, tower houses, churches, martellos and graveyards, that were initially assessed structurally in 2014. The project works at each site starts with vegetation removal and continues through survey and repairs to individual access and interpretation proposals. Work began at Stella's Tower in 2016-17 with the removal of a large blanket of vegetation, ivy and the like. Once the walls had been revealed, consultant conservation engineers, DKP, procured measured building surveys of both buildings, the castle and the church, and then a work specification. J.O. Harty and Sons, Heritage Building Contractors, started the job on the twin sites in the autumn of 2020 and completed the work in recent weeks. Historic mortar and render analysis guided the choice of matching and sympathetic pointing and rendering mixes. Multi-storey scaffolds were erected at both towers to give access for inspection and work. The large hole in the southern facade of the castle, with a modern block infill, needed a unique stainless steel strut and tie fabrication inserted at first floor level. The ugly blockwork was rendered in a smooth lime-based render to differentiate it from the original material. Low-impact guardrails were inserted at each floor landing off the spiral stairs. The original ground floor entrance was rediscovered, reopened, and to improve access with a new gate. Salvaged masonry from the partially collapsed first floor vault was cleared into gabions and sited outside. An innovative conservation solution called soft capping covers the top of the exposed vault, consisting of a grassed sod on puddled clay, pinned in place and encouraged to grow, a sustainable, low-impact, reversible, natural method for exposed historic ruins. One of the most noticeable features of the tower is the tall brick Jacobean chimney stack installed in the makeover of the late 17th, early 18th century. One of the corners had fallen away completely. A sympathetic reconstruction secured the fourth corner. At St Catherine's Church, the work was less complex. As well as selected pointing of stonework, the triple-stepped crenellation of the bell tower parapet is unique to Ireland, and its repair and consolidation in detail was the heritage repair achievement here. The vaulted stone roof was also cleared of earth, humus, and a fully intact four-sided stepped stone drain was discovered, restored, to dispose again into the original rainwater chutes.